The idea came up because of the annual inspection backlogs. We go site by site, and we were assigned each work orders by site, sometimes 30 work orders, and we got to finish it within 2 weeks, a week.
I create the work orders, and then when they complete the work, they send me back notification letting me know that the work order has been completed or if it's going to be forwarded to a vendor. So now, by creating the team, there wasn't as long of a wait because the team could do it a lot faster than just having the superintendents going in. So it was more convenient and quicker. It made the life of our tenants more comfortable.
Yeah, so during the pandemic, a lot of the work unfortunately was put on hold. Only emergencies were being attended to. And when we started working on the work orders with the MRT project, a lot of our tenants were just happy to see, fresh new faces. I guess they were just happy that these minor repairs were being attended to after waiting for so long. And yeah, that's why we're here and that's why we volunteered.
I wanted to make spread the message that, we all need help and we all need support. So giving to the community or the seniors, it makes a lot of difference. I want to be able to do the same thing. I want to be able to receive the same thing when I'm seniors as well. So that's the message that I want to get in there, just to volunteers make a difference in the community. And yeah, that's it.